Thank you so much, Cricut, for sending me this. This is the new Cricut Maker 4. I am so excited. The color is so cute. It literally matches all my paper flowers. I'm so excited about it. I made a few cuts already, and I do think the machine is faster, definitely compared to the older one that I had. But I'm not sure if it's just smoother because it's new, but basically it is smoother too. I don't necessarily think you need to get the newest one if you're just starting out, you want to make some paper flowers. Any of their machines do make paper flowers, but if you've been in the business for a while, I do think it's worth investing into a newer machine just because it's smoother, faster, it'll be easier for you. But definitely check it out. I'll be linking it for you guys below the video. I'm going to make some extra projects with it today, and I'll be showing you guys the process. I'm heading over to Seattle again. I know I was literally there last month. I usually go often for my family, but this time it is a work trip. I'm meeting up with my podcast co-host Quinn and Jesse. This is going to be our first time being in the same room with the three of us. I've seen Quinn separately, and then Quinn has seen Jesse separately, but we've never been together, the three of us. So I'm really excited. Jesse is actually coming from Canada, and then Quinn is in Seattle. I'm in California. So it is really tricky to see each other like in person, but I feel like I know who they are because we meet like on a weekly basis for our podcast. But yeah, this is going to be really exciting because we're actually doing a photo shoot. We're also doing a couple podcast episodes together, and we have something really exciting that we're working on together as well that we can't wait to share with you guys. Hopefully I can share with you guys very soon. But yeah, that's why we're meeting up, so I'm really excited. I'm going to be taking you guys with me through my trip to Seattle. Hopefully I could show you guys some behind the scenes and some of the podcast activities that we do. The most exciting part is actually I'm buying a camera off of the photographer that's doing our photo shoot. I'm like really excited, and I can't wait to show you guys. To Washington, and we're heading to Quinn's right now, and yeah, we have a full day of our photo shoot and some recordings for our Paper Talk podcast. When the night is over, say you just can't control the... We're here at Flower World taking our photos. Till it's somebody else's on your mind while you're still on mine. How she makes you so happy. I'll listen patiently for you before I leave. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but I'm kind of shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, but you're not looking back. Living in a hazy world. Butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was
small, but then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise. The thought of a kiss.
Wow, that box full of Medicube products, like I thought I made the wrong purchase or something. I totally forgot that I signed up for their ambassador program and I got accepted, and I'm so excited. I can't believe it. And I don't really obviously consider myself as like an influencer of like beauty products or anything like that. I do niche down onto crafts. So I was surprised that they accepted it and sent me samples and stuff. So I'm really excited. I obviously do love like fashion, beauty. I love like anything really, you know, that has to do with like fashion related stuff, because I do love like hair stuff, and there was like a really short period of time where I also did like makeup and hair for people. So yeah, I'm really excited. I mean, Medicube products are obviously like skincare products. It's not really anything to do with hair or makeup, but well, anyway, I'm really excited and I'll be using it and report back to you guys how it is. I do have like a handful of their products already that I love, but there's some products that were in there that I've never seen before, so I get to try it out. And thank you so much, Anecdote, for sending me these. I do have a planner that I have to finish before I go on to my next planner, but yeah, I'm excited for it. It's so cute. Like their packaging is so cute. And the color, I chose pink, but they have like a handful of different colors. I really like their mustard color too. I wanted to share a little bit of my trip from Seattle. I went to go see my Paper Talk podcast co-host, and we're really excited because we have something coming soon. I can't share much with you guys, but basically the three of us, we all make paper flowers, and our podcast is very much about making paper flowers, but being in the creative industry really, and how to run a small business as an artist. And all three of us, even though we make paper flowers, we really have kind of different clients, we're from different places. One's from Canada, one's from Seattle, I'm from California. So I feel like, yeah, even though we're doing the same thing, we're really not. And that's why it's exciting, because hopefully we get the opportunity to share more about how to run your small business as an artist, really. And I'm here on YouTube. I'm here, you know, getting opportunity with different brands, and there are definitely different streams of income as an artist, and that's kind of what we want to share with you guys, and that's what we're kind of working on. So hopefully I get to share more with you guys soon, but yeah, stay tuned, and I'm going to go and work on my Pentel project, and hopefully I come up with something cute to show you guys at the end.